Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a large 2-story, 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house on approximately 5 acres of lush, well-fruited land that expands to the Yallahs pond. The house is 6,000 square feet and features 2 ensuite bedrooms, 4 patios, gazebo, and independent helpers' quarters. This hidden treasure represents a great investment opportunity. Guys, it's time to take a quick look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £400,000 or Jamaican $80.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this house, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.